Yes, sir. Cowboys, they doing the damn thing, y'all. Much love to everybody. It's going down, y'all. Cowboys kicking ass, man. I didn't know they were gonna do that shit, man. I ain't gonna lie. I thought it was gonna be a little nick to nick how they were coming off, y'all. Say, then I saw the Cowboys and they got the ball first. That what made it so awesome, y'all. They got the ball first, so let us see what they gonna do. They didn't do shit. We shut their ass down. Say, it's all good, y'all. That was a good game to say. Cowboy, we on it. We on it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. You know how people always want to talk, yeah, that's just like a Cowboy. Y'all win one game, two games, y'all like y'all shit. Say, if y'all seen how the technique and everything, how we were running that game today, say, y'all can say what you want, man. Say, the running game on point. Pollard running like he crazy now, man. Say, I don't know what it was, but say, y'all, he's going down for the Cowboys. That's all I can say, man. Say, I'm diehard Cowboy. You know what I'm saying? But say, it is what it is. It is Cowboy Nation, baby. We acting a fool. So all y'all want to bump that shit, talk that shit. Say, it's Cowboy Nation now, baby. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. You can hate if you want to, but it's Cowboy Nation, baby. I'm ready to see these 49 what they gonna do. Cause say, somebody got to put a stain on them Eagles, man. Somebody got to hurt these Eagles, man. They acting like they the shit, man. They would, man, say, it's going down, y'all. Cowboy Nation, y'all. We got to say. And then Buffalo play them, say, y'all. Them Buffalo say, y'all got to put a stain on them damn Eagles, man. Say, Big Mike, y'all got to hurt them Eagles. Somebody got to hurt them Eagles, man. Say, nah, it ain't looking like that, man. I know they ain't doing that damn good. So somebody got to hurt them Eagles, y'all. Do you hear me? Much love to everybody. Channel, man. What's up? Have a good Thanksgiving, everybody. I know it's family time. Y'all do a good job, man. So be safe. But say, y'all, it's Cowboy motion in the ocean. It's going down, y'all. Do you hear me? Cowboys, let's get it. Cowboys, let's get it. Cowboy, let's get it, man. Try to tell y'all, man, we ain't playing no games, y'all. Cowboy Nation, baby. Yes, sir. Try to tell y'all. It's going down in the triple D. Cowboy Nation, y'all. They be trying to hate on us, man. It's Cowboy time, man. I don't care what they say, but say, you Cowboy looking good, man. They can hate this Cowboy Nation now. You got some room now? Cowboy Nation, y'all. Ready for this 49ers gonna do now, cause hey, we kick some ass. You did. We kick some ass. Yes. We Cowboys, Cowboy Nation, y'all. We did it. Yeah, they can talk that shit. The Cowboy, they came with it today. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. You could talk that shit. A win is a win. I don't give a damn. Y'all gonna say that like they suck. Y'all supposed to win it. Man, I don't give a damn what y'all say, man. Shit. Like every year, y'all know every team we play supposed to be sorry. Shut the hell up with that shit. Then our fault they ass up. Shit. You supposed to win that game. You don't supposed to win shit. Shit. The other team come with they A game. If we would have lost, they would have been talking shit. Y'all supposed to win. They know y'all sorry now. But yet, when we win, we still don't get no credit. You know what I'm saying, y'all? Them damn haters be hating. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, them haters, they be hating that damn bad. Every year, do we pick our season? Do we pick who we play? No. It's every blue moon when we all play the 49ers. You know what I'm saying? So they still be want to hate on us. We don't pick our team. And it is our fault, damn, the team we play, they regular get sucked, and then they want to, you supposed to win them games. Shut the hell up. We don't supposed to do shit. If that other team came with a game, they going to say, we, oh, that just means we really suck. When we play a team that we supposed to win, that's it. We automatically suck. Thank you. Because damn, when we win, they still be like, you supposed to win. But when the motherfuckers ain't doing shit, that ain't our fault. That's not the Cowboy fault. So y'all need to get off our bandwagon, okay? With that bullshit. Cowgirls, yeah, them Cowgirls did good today, huh? Huh? Tell me that, all them haters. How them Cowboys do today, huh? Tell me something good.